Hello students, welcome back to KVRI Academy online study channel. Myself Ramaswarya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about the pH. In this video, we are going to discuss the importance of pH in our daily life. pH, which is also known as the potential of hydrogen, is important in our daily life in various fields. So today we will discuss the importance of pH one by one. First of all, pH in our digestive system. As we know that our stomach secretes hydrochloric acid to digest the food which we eat. In case of indigestion, stomach secretes large amount of hydrochloric acid which cause pain and irritation. So, to neutralize the hydrochloric acid, we use antacids. Antacids are basic in nature, and when we eat antacid, they neutralize the hydrochloric acid and give us relief from pain and irritation. So after that, pH change leads to tooth decay. As you know that the upper coating of teeth is made up of enamel, which is the hardest substance in our body. So when the pH of our mouth decrease from 5.5, means in our mouth when acidity increases, then the tooth will decay. When we eat sweet items, the sugar present in that sweet remain in our mouth, and the bacteria present in our mouth convert this sugar into acids. So whenever the pH of our mouth decrease from 5.5, we will face the tooth decay. So to prevent this, we should always clean our mouth properly, and after that, self-defense by animals and plants through chemical warfare. As we know that bees and ant contains formic acid, and when they bite us, there will be pain and irritation. So it is due to the presence of formic acid. So to neutralize this formic acid, we use some basic materials like lime to neutralize this formic acid, and by this it provides relief. And after that, nature provides the neutralization option. In nature also, there are something which provide neutralization option. In wild, there is a nettle plant which is herbivorous plant, herbaceous plant, and when the sting of nettle plant comes in touch of our body, it secretes methanoic acid, which is also known as formic acid, and there will be pain in the infected area. So beside that plant, a dog plant is found, which is basic in nature. When we rub the dog plant on the infected area, it will neutralize the acidic nature of that nettle plant, and it will give relief on the infected area. And at last, soil pH and plant growth. So, different plants need different range of pH for growth. Whenever the pH of soil increase, it becomes basic. So, to neutralize this, basically we use some acidic mix to neutralize that basic nature of pH, and when the pH of soil decreases, means it becomes acidic, we use lime or chalk powder to neutralize this acidity of soil and make it neutral. So these are the importance of pH in our daily life. For today, that's all. Thank you.